Most people have never heard of the Great Famine of 1876-78, but historians call it one of the deadliest climate disasters ever recorded. In British India, millions died from hunger and disease after monsoon failure. In China, drought and famine killed millions more. Across continents, food systems collapsed. What caused so much suffering at the same time? The answer was thousands of kilometers away, in the Pacific Ocean. Near the coast of Peru, fishermen noticed that some years the water became strangely warm. Fish disappeared. Weather changed. They called it El Niño, the little boy. Normally, El Niño is just a natural climate cycle, but in 1877, it became extreme, and the world paid the price.
What if I told you one weather event once killed millions of people across the world, not because of war, not because of disease, not because of an asteroid, but because the ocean got warmer? In 1877, villages in India were filled with corpses. Crops failed, rivers dried, hunger spread like fire. At the same time, China faced famine. Brazil suffered mass deaths. Africa was devastated. One invisible force connected them all. Its name was El Niño. And now, scientists warn it may be returning stronger than ever. Could 2026 become one of the hottest and most dangerous summers in modern history?
To understand El Niño, imagine the Pacific Ocean as a giant engine controlling Earth's weather. Normally, trade winds push warm surface water westward toward Asia and Australia. That allows cold, nutrient-rich water to rise near South America. So under normal conditions, Australia and Southeast Asia get rain. South America gets cooler waters. Global weather stays balanced. But during El Niño, those trade winds weaken. Warm water spreads back eastward. Cold water stops rising. And suddenly, trillions of liters of overheated ocean water begin releasing energy into the atmosphere. That shifts rainfall, storms, heat waves, droughts, and monsoons across the entire planet. One ocean event. Global consequences.
Why 2026 matters. Scientists are watching the Pacific closely, because when a strong El Niño forms during an already warming world, the results can become dangerous. Here's why. Earth today is already hotter than it was before industrial times. That means El Niño no longer starts from a normal baseline. It starts from a hotter planet. Think of it like this. Old El Niño Kluk turning on a heater in a cool room. Modern El Niño Kilks turning on a heater in a room already on fire. That combination can create extreme heat waves, weak monsoons, crop damage, water shortages, food inflation, wildfires, flooding in some regions. And South Asia is one of the most vulnerable places on Earth. For India and Pakistan, summer heat is already brutal. Temperatures above 45°C are becoming more common. Cities trap heat through concrete, traffic, and lack of trees. Even nights stay hot. And that is dangerous, because the human body survives heat by cooling down at night. If nights remain above 30°C for days, stress builds. That can lead to dehydration, kidney stress, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. At highest risk, outdoor laborers, delivery workers, farmers, elderly people, children, low-income families without cooling. Then comes the second danger: monsoon disruption. Millions of farms depend on reliable seasonal rain. If rains arrive late, weak, or unevenly, crops fail. Food prices rise. Rural incomes collapse. So El Niño is not just a weather story. It becomes an economic story, a health story, a human story.
Most people fear daytime heat, but experts say nighttime heat can be worse. Why? Because your body never gets recovery time. Concrete roads, buildings, and rooftops absorb heat all day, then slowly release it all night. This is called the urban heat island effect. That means cities can stay several degrees hotter than nearby rural areas. Air conditioners help some people inside homes, but they also dump heat outside, so neighborhoods without shade become even hotter. The people least responsible for climate change often suffer the most. Yes, trees. A single mature tree can cool streets, reduce surface heat, improve air quality, and create shade. Neighborhoods with more trees can feel dramatically cooler than areas filled only with concrete. Trees also reduce flooding, improve mental health, support birds and biodiversity, lower electricity demand. But here is the problem. Many cities are losing old trees faster than they replace them, and young saplings take years to become real shade. So protecting existing large trees is often more powerful than planting tiny new ones. Old trees are living cooling systems.
El Niño will come and go, but the world we build around it, that is in our hands. So take action. Protect yourself. Protect your community. Protect the future. Because the next great summer may already be starting. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more deep documentaries on climate, history, and the future of our planet.